The Asian golden weaver is a rare bird species, currently found mainly in Cambodia and a few other Southeast Asian countries. Known as an expert nest builder, this weaver spends much of its day constructing a comfortable and intricately woven home. It typically inhabits low vegetation such as rice, paddies, and shrublands. Its most distinctive feature is the large, conical black bill, perfectly adapted for feeding on grains and seeds. It has a habit of flicking its tail up and down. Agile and timid by nature, it reacts swiftly to danger, fleeing without hesitation. There is a clear difference in appearance between the sexes. Females have relatively plain plumage, while males are adorned with bright golden yellow feathers, especially vivid on the head, chest, and belly, which is a striking characteristic of this species.